What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Savy. Welcome back. Today is gonna be a little car day, so we're going to a little car meet. I just wanted to give you guys a little intro, tell you guys what we're doing today. So yeah, we're gonna head out to this car show. I might as well end the video off here because after the montage, it's gonna be the end of it. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turned you down and I'm hoping. Can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn them open. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you? Need you, need you, need you, need you, need you, need you, need you. Where are you now that I need you? When nobody else was paying. I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying, to keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing, that's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying. Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you? Need you, 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 need you. Where are you now that I need you?